And we are back. Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel. We're back in the studio, bringing you some great content around being your own boss, making your own side gigs, starting your own businesses, anything to help you level up in life and get out that 9 to 5 rat race. We about that. And we're back. Gave you guys a different type of video last week about starting a t-shirt company up, but we're back with the driving gig economy type, you know, opportunities that you guys love, that you guys tune into, that you guys comment on and like. So if that's the type of content you love, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, because I'm here daily giving you side hustles and extra ways to make money through apps, online, in your free time, passively, or ones you got to work for. So let's get into it. You see the thumbnail, point pickup. Found out about this one actually from a Facebook friend. If you want to be a part of my Facebook group, I'm going to start leaving a description down below. I talk about business credit, personal credit, and also, business grants and ways to start businesses in that group. So, one of the members put me on to this site or app, Point Pickup. um, you know, Different businesses can arrange to have, workers come and pick up their items and deliver it for them. So if you have a business that needs things delivered, like a florist or a food delivery service or any type of thing that need things picked up and dropped off, you can try Point Pickup, and you may get to hire me as one of your drivers. But if you're trying to join as a driver, they got, a couple of, a lot of information for that. Let's see, join the flex worker. So you're a flex worker like Amazon, earn money on your own schedule. You're beating your own boss. So I filled out all this. Basically, all it did was told me to download the app. How it works. You log into the app, select your pickups. So you can actually select what deliveries you want to make. So instead of them sending you a list, you get to pick and choose what you want, which is amazing, which is awesome. Pick up the pack item at the store. So you go to the store, pick it up, take a picture of it, verify the address and everything, delivery instructions, and then deliver the item to close by locations. Like I said, this is kind of last mile. You probably won't go outside of a 50-mile radius, if that. We take care of the business. You just deliver. So drivers prefer our predictable scheduling, routes, and payment. So they pay out every Friday. I did find that information out. They kind of pick the routes and have all the stuff laid out. So you just kind of pick what's easiest for you. You don't have to think about it too much. Um, drive when you're making your deliveries, so you don't have to just be out there driving around recklessly. No strangers, no passengers. You can plan your pickups ahead of time and consistent pickup locations. So you kind of can start getting your route together, getting to go where you're going consistently. So which is great as well. You can be a driver. Oh, this one is great to know. Most of these you have to be 21 and up. This one you only have to be 18 or older. Driver license, social security number, and pass a background check. Don't say anything about drug screenings. Why drive for pickup, predictability. How do I receive delivery requests? Orders are published throughout the day. Just go through the app, find everything, what is scheduled, no schedule. You are free to accept orders anytime, any day. So you don't have to dedicate your time to a certain hours, 9 to 5, or later than that. Oh, got my phone ringing, money calling, money calling. I'll give them a call back. Got to give you guys this great content. So, how do we start? You just sign up, get the app. It's that simple. So, go ahead and download that Point Pickup app. Go ahead and sign up through here. Get started, get on board. You can drive any size vehicle. So in between those, long dedicated, if you got that courier van or box truck, in between those long routes, if you just need something local, try it out. Be your own boss. All right.